Hi dear children, let's study circles. A circle is a closed figure having all the points on a circle lie at fixed distance from the center. And what is that fixed distance? The fixed distance from the center to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. And do you know what is diameter of the circle? Diameter is twice the radius. Twice the radius is called diameter. And here in this chapter we have to study the area of a circle and circumference of a circle. What is the circumference of a circle? We have heard the word perimeter. Perimeter is used for four-sided figures. But here for circle the word is circumference. It is the total distance around the closed figure, around a closed region. It is called circumference. And we have to study the formula for finding the circumference of circle. Circumference of the circle equal to 2 pi r. If r is given only, we can use this formula. If r is given, we can use this formula, that is 2 pi r. If diameter is given, we have to use this one, pi d. If diameter is given, we have to use pi d. And if r is given, we can use 2 pi r. And what is the value of pi? There are two values for pi. According to our question, we can take any one of them. So, pi is either 22/7 or 3.14. And what is the area? What is the formula for finding the area of a circle? It is pi r square. Area is equal to pi r square. So, we study two formulas here. That is circumference of a circle and area of a circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. And circumference, there are two formulas. If r is given, it is 2 pi r. And if d is given, it is pi d. We can do some problems. First question, what is the circumference of a circular disc of radius 14 cm? What is the circumference of a circular disc of radius 14 cm? And it is given pi equal to 22/7. So what is the formula for finding the circumference of a circle? Circumference equal to two pi r, where r is 14 centimeter and pi equal to 22/7. So circumference equal to 2 into pi is 22/7 into r is 14. These two get cancelled. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Now 22 into 2 is equal to 44. 44 into 2 is equal to 88 centimeter. So this is the circumference of the circular disc. So what is asked here? Circumference is asked. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r, where pi is 22/7 and r is 14 centimeter. So when we substitute the value in this, two numbers get cancelled. After that, when we multiply, we will get 88 centimeter. So what is circumference of a circle? It is 2 pi r if r is given. And if d is given, it is pi d. Next question. Find the area if the radius is 5 centimeter. Radius is given 5 centimeter. R is given 5 centimeter. So what is the area of a circle? Area equal to pi r square. And here we can take the value of pi as 3.14. So that's equal to 3.14 into r square is 5 into 5. So we can multiply these two values, 314 into 5. So we will get 5 4s are 20. 155 plus 2 is equal to 7. Then 15. Again when we multiply by 5, we will get 0. 7 5s are 35. 5 5s are 25 plus 3 is equal to 28. Then 1 5s are 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So two numbers after, you have to put one decimal. After two numbers here. So the answer is 78.5 0.50 square. Next question. A 3-meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meter. Find the area of the path. A 3-meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park. So there is a rectangular park. Its length is 125 meter and breadth is 65 meter. 65 meter. Now, a 3-meter wide path runs outside. So, there is a path outside this park. And its width is given 3 meter. Is given 3 meter width. 3 meter and here also 3 meter and width is 3 meter, means all the widths are equal. Here also 3 meter. Okay. Now find the area of the path. We have to find the area of the path. That is this portion area we have to find out. This portion area we have to find out. So what we will do? Here in the figure there are two rectangles. Biggest one is A, B, C, D. And the smallest one is Pqrs. Pqrs. So when we find the area of the biggest rectangle ABCD and smallest rectangle PQRS, then we subtract it, we will get the area of the path. So what will be the area of the rectangle ABCD? Area of rectangle ABCD. What is that? Area is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. What is given? Length is equal to this much side is 125 meter. So we have to add 3 on this side and 3 on this side. So that is 125 plus 3 plus 3. So it is 131. Into. What about this value? This is 65. Here we have to add 3. So that will be 68. Again we have to add 3. So that will be 65 plus 6. That's equal to 71. Then when we multiply, we will get 131 into 71. 1 1 7 1 1 3 1 7 21 9. So 1 9301. 9301. It is meter, no? Meter square. Now we have to find the area of rectangle PQRS. That's equal to area of rectangle PQRS equal to length into breadth itself. That's equal to 125 into 65. What is 125 into 65? So when we multiply, we will get 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Balance 1, 1 5s are 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then 6 5s are 30. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. 1 6 are 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 5, 2, 11, 8. That is, answer is 8,125 meters square. Now, what is the area of path? C equal to 9,301 meters square minus 8,125 meters square. So, when we subtract, what will we get? 9301 minus 8125 is equal to 6. Then 3 to 10 is 7. 2 to 3 is 1. Then 1. Answer is 1,126 meters square. So, in this type of problems, we have to find the difference between the greatest rectangle and the smallest rectangle. Then we will get the find the cost of polishing a circular sheet of diameter 2.8 meter. If the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter. Find the cost of polishing. Cost of polishing, that you have to find out the area of that circle. And what is given? Diameter is given. Diameter is equal to 2.8 meter. So what will be the radius? Radius will be the half of the diameter. So it will be 2.8 divided by 2. It is 1.4 meter. So what we have to find out first? We have to find out the area. Area is equal to, area of circle is equal to pi r square. Pi r square. And here it is given diameter. So diameter is given, it's 2.8 meter. Therefore r equal to 2.8 divided by 2. That's equal to 1.4 meter. Now we can substitute this value in area is equal to pi r square. That is area equal to pi, we can give it as 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4. And these two get cancelled and we will get 0.2. Now we can multiply these two. 1.4 into, here it is 22 into 2 is equal to 44. 22 into 2 is equal to 44. We can multiply. So 1 decimal is there, 4.4. So when you multiply, we will get 4 4s are 16. Balance 1, 1 4, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then 4 4s are 16. Then 1, 1 4s are 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So it is 6. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. And 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. How many decimals are here? There is 1 decimal here and 1 decimal here. So after 2 numbers, we can put the decimal. And that's equal to 6.16 meter square. Now, it's given the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter. So, it is equal to rupees 15. Therefore, required amount required equal to 6.16 into 15. Equal to, have to multiply numbers. 616 into 15. What will you get? 6 5s are 30. Balance 3. 1 is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 6 5s are 30. 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 6, 6. So then we will get 0. 8 plus 6 equal to 14. Balance 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. How many numbers are there after the decimal? So after decimal there are 2 numbers. So after 2 numbers we can put the decimal. So the answer is rupees 92.40. So this is the amount required for polishing this circular sheet.